Good morning, guys. This is Easy Earnings FX. I'm here this morning again to share with you how I use the Parabolic SaaS strategy on 1 hour and 5 minutes time frame using Boom and Crash. So let's go. In the previous video, in the first video, I told you that we have the signal generation and we have the entry. So I talked about the generating signal on higher time frame and entering on lower time frame, which I use 4 hours and a day time frame in combination with 15 minutes time frame as entry in the previous video. But now let's go down to lower time frame that is lower than 4 hours and a day time frame. So in this very video, let's look at 1 hour time frame and 5 minutes time frame. So after watching the clips, you can now stick to the one that you prefer. But both are working. They are working perfectly. So let's go down to 1 hour time frame on 500. So and we do some back testing. So what do we have currently? Looking at the chart on Boom 500, the parabolic side is giving us buy signal. Buy signal. This is it. It's giving us buy signal. It's buy signal. This is buy signal. We have like 5 dots already. And this is it. This is it. We are waiting for it to go up. We are waiting for it to go up. The signal activated on this particular green candlestick. Let's count backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This green candlestick gave us the entry for the buy signal. For the buy signal. So immediately the candlestick got or meet the sales dot of the parabolic. That was when this pump out for the buy signal. So let's look at what has happened with this particular movement on 1 hour time frame and 5 minutes time frame. So let's check out the buy signal there. Let's check out the buy signal there. So we have one already. This is one. I'm coming. This is one. This is first signal. One. And this is today, 1st of June, 4:35 a.m. First signal. That means you will be in this trade for how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Catching spikes. This is another buy signal. Can you see it? It's activated on this particular green candlestick. Then it moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for the past 1 hour 30 minutes, we have been what? On buy signal. Can you see? We have 2 entries already. I told you. There's no how you will not see 2, 3, 4 entries on each asset every day. On each asset. You go to Boom 1, Boom 5, Boom 3, Crash 1, 2, 3, Crash 1, Crash 5, Crash 3. We move down to step index. I will still show you how I use it on step index. You move down to the volatilities. You have like 10 assets there. VF 75, 100, 50, 25, IS 75, 50, 25, 10. Before you move down to jump, range break. We'll see how it works. I'm going to show you the clips. And this is just 10:24 a.m. today on the 1st of June. You already have 2 signals on what? On Boom 500 using 1 hour and 5 minutes chart. Can you see it? We have 1 and we have 2. So we still have like 16 hours to go today. So we're still going to see more of buy signal. I told you that you wait. Always wait. 1 hour is on buying. So on 5 minutes, you are looking for what? Buy entrance. Buy entrance. You don't take the sell. You don't take the sell. You don't take the sell. It's like you are following the rules guiding EMA 200. When the trade is above EMA 200, you keep looking for what? Buy entrance. When it's below 200, you keep looking for what? Sell entry. So with special reference to this also, you follow the rules. Stick to the rules. If you don't stick to the rules, you are going to wound yourself. You wound yourself in trading and you can't recover the money again. Once it is gone, it is gone. Unless you fund again and you start all over. Do you want to keep funding? No. No. So once you fund, you stick to the rules and you watch your lot size. If you are sticking to the rules and your lot size is too big, when there's a pullback, it won't be able to hold it and the account is gone. So always watch your lot size. Don't let your lot size be bigger than your equity. Go slow, go slow, go slow, go slow. I told you, with this particular strategy, you can have more than 10% of your equity every day. But I love going slow. Once you see that, you stop for the day. You continue tomorrow. The signal will always come every day like that. It is repetition. Trading is about repetition. The pattern will repeat itself. So stick to the signal. Stick to the rules guiding your entrance and your exit. So let's do some backtesting more. Let's do some. Let's go more. Sorry. Let's go. Let's go. I'm coming. I'm sorry. So let's stick to the rules. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So let's go down. Let's do some more of backtesting. So you want to be catching spikes. You want to be catching spikes. This is for you. This is for you. We have another buy signal here. Another buy signal here. The buy signal activated. Activated on this particular green candlestick on 1 hour time frame. This particular candlestick. This one. So how many hours do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 12 hours candlestick giving us a buy signal. Then stick to the rules. Stick to the rules. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame now. Let's check it out. We check it together. Reduce to the lowest zoom level. Can you see it? Can you see the vertical line? And where do we have the buy signal? Here. Here. Can you see the first one? We have a buy signal here. We have a buy signal here. Look at the long spike. We have a pullback. You still remain in, if you still want to be there, remain in the trade. I'm going to show you the rules guiding my exit with this particular strategy. I'm still going to show you, but I just want to be making the videos to be short so that you can always come back and watch and follow, then refresh your memory. If the video is too long, some people might not like it. So I will keep it short, so that you can always follow. So it's activated here. Look at the long 5 minutes candlestick. Anybody trading on the bigger equity, 500, 700, 1000, even 400, 300. Look at this long spike. They are done for the day already. They are done for the day. Join the trade. You join the trade. So let's go. Where do we have another buy signal? Here. Here. Another buy signal activated here. Then we have a pull of 20 minutes. This with the rules guiding my exit, which I'm going to show you later, we're still going to be inside this particular trade despite the pullback. Then look at the long buy again. We have the buy here again. Can you see it? Can you see the buy? If I'm the one trading, I don't wait till all this. I'm done. I'm done because I use shorter time with I raise my lot size a bit higher, then I join the trade. So we are still inside the box. Please follow me. We have another buy signal here. Can you see it? Stick to the rules. Stick to the rules. Buy on 1 hour time frame. Buy on 5 minutes time frame. We are checking 1 hour and 5 minutes. Generating entering signal of higher time frame and entry on lower time. Can you see it? Can you see it? You love catching spikes. You just want to be catching spike. And I told you that the trade, you can use it to trade both trend, uptrend and downtrend. It's very suitable for both. Very suitable for both. But mind your lot size. Always work. Can you see now? So can you that we want this trade? Let's see what we have inside. I think we have like 3. We have 3. We have 3. It was here. It was here. It has moved. The first signal was here. We want this particular trade. Can you see it? The second one was here. We want 2. I told you 3. We won. We won. So it is very possible for you to take like 20 trade with this particular strategy. And you have 18 wins. You have 19 wins. I told you it has over 85% win rate at the end of your month or daily or weekly. You can even have 100% winning rate throughout the whole day. You take like 5 trades every day and you win. You win. You win. You win. You win. Can you see it? So let's do one more on Boom 500. Another, we have another buy signal here. You want to be cashing spike. So it was this particular green candlestick that activated this particular buy. So let's go. Let's go now. So what do we have on 5 minutes time frame again? So we zoom to the lowest zoom level to have it. Can you see it? We have one. It was here, the first buy. One, we won. Can you see it? How many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 hours. 2 hours straight. And you are there. Another buy signal making the third one. Can you see it? I think inside the box. Inside the box. Okay, let's go. 1, we won. 2, 3. Inside the box. 3, 4. 4. 4. We have 4 entries inside. We have 4 entries. And this another one. Can you see it? You want to be cashing spikes. Can you see it? Can you see it? So not like you go to 1 minute time frame and you stay there. Then you want to be cashing it. Once you cash a one long spike, then you are out. No. With this particular trade, you can be in the trade cashing 15-minute spikes at a stretch, 20-minute spike at a stretch. And you are good to go for the day. You are good to go for the day. This is what I've been using for the past 1 year. After testing traits of strategy. You want to be a scalper, you want to be a day trader. If you want to swing, you can swing with this particular strategy. You can swing. You can swing. So let's switch to Boom 1000. Boom 1000. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and let's see what is happening there. You want to be cashing spike. We have a buy signal here. We have a buy signal here. It activated on this particular candlestick. This green. This green. So let's go now. 5 minutes chart. So let's go to lower time frame. Can you see it? Inside the box, we have 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Can you see it? Can you see it? Almost 1 hour. 1. Look at it. 1, 1. I'm going to show you how I do re-entry. If the spike did not move immediately, where will it get to when I take re-entry? And by the time it's getting back to my first entry, then I'm out of the trade already. So look at this. Look at this. 1. Another one. 1. Can you see it? You want to be cashing spikes. You love cashing spikes. So like 5 entries here and we won. So let's go. Let's move again. Look at this. There's another buy signal here. It's activated on this red candlestick. On this red. Can you see the long end? Let me enlarge it so that we can cash it together. So we have it up to this level. Here. Here. Should be here. So let's go now. Let's go. 5 minutes chart. Go to the lowest zoom level so that we can get there in time. So what do we have? What do we have? Let's go up 1. 1. That's a buy signal there. This is a buy signal here. If you are following the rules, we would have lost this trade. Would have lost this trade. Would have lost this trade. So that is 1, 1. Then another signal here. We won. Recover your loss. Another signal here. With our rules, we're still going to be inside this buy trade. So we want this trade. Can you see it? Can you see the back testing? You won. We are still going. We still have more. We still have more. I think that is all. No, we still have more. So another buy signal here. We won. We won. Is that all? I think that's all for that particular box. I told you that you can use it to trade both sides. Can you see the sell signal too? Can you see the sell signal? But you love catching spikes. So can you let's just put the box here. Another buy signal is here. Can you see it? Then you go there and you keep looking for what? Buy entrance, more of buy, more of buy. You don't sell. When the signal give you buy, you don't sell on lower time frame. And when it give you a sell signal on higher time frame, you don't buy on lower time frame. You stick to the rules. Stick to the rules, please. Stick to the rules. So let me stop here so you can always watch and review again to refresh your memory. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to help me subscribe to this channel. Thank you.